This is a pullover, where you complete a circular motion to position yourself above the bar. Doesn't it look amazing?
Can I learn pullover in a day? Let's check out.
To start with, I used a lower bar. First, I focused on strength exercises and tried some negative pull ups. Then, I tried the circular motion, slowly getting the hang of it. But there was a moment when I found myself stuck in the mid rotation, struggling to generate enough momentum to keep me going. Once I felt confident with my progress, I leveled up to higher bar. You see, mastering the pullover demands hand strength, and it's quite a challenge to keep practicing. During my short breaks, I turned to Google in search of technique that could help me to fast track my pullover learning journey. The pullover demands an immense amount of hand strength, making it a challenge to practice consistently. Learning it wasn't one day challenge. So, on day 2 of my journey, my friend came to rescue, sharing invaluable tips on how to position the bar just above the belly button. At first, it was a balancing act and I struggled with it. But with determination and few more attempts, it finally happened. I nailed my first pullover. Of course, there's a long road ahead to perfect this move. Until next time, stay tuned for my next adventure.